What's the meaning of cold call? Cold call. Cold call.
Cold call. Cold call. A cold call is an unsolicited phone call or visit made by a salesperson to a potential customer who has not expressed any interest in their product or service. The aim of a cold call is to generate new business leads and close deals, but it can often be an ineffective and time-consuming process. Cold calls often result in rejection or unanswered calls, but if executed correctly, they can lead to new business opportunities and increased revenue for the salesperson and their company.